Very quickly before the video starts, this video was filmed outside, so the audio is really terrible that I had to dub over the first part of the video. The second part of the video was kind of usable, so I just went with it because I didn't want to dub over it all over again. Alright, so with that out of the way, enjoy the video. What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video we'll be unboxing the brand new iPad 9th generation. So as you can see, I'm not in my usual filming area, I'm actually outside with all the cats. I wanted to go for a different nature aesthetic. So if you hear any background noise, you know why. So let's get started. Today is September 24th, 2021, and today is when the new iPhones and iPads release. So I actually went to the Apple store to pick up my brand new iPad. I got the 256GB space gray Wi-Fi model to replace my iPad 7 from 2019. It still works, but the A10 processor is starting to feel slow. Here is the box. I already opened it because while I was at the Apple store, the employee saw I had my old iPad and transferred all the files to the new one. But I only took out the iPad, so the unboxing should be the same. So it does come with plastic wrap, but it's not the fancy one with the pull tab, it's just normal shrink wrap. So here's the same box we've used for years, which I understand because it's cost cutting and it makes the iPad the cheap price that it is. On the back we see it says 256GB, and below it it says iPad 9 Wi-Fi. So the box includes the iPad, a USB-C to lightning cable, and a 20-watt USB-C power adapter. Below that sticker we have our serial information, so I'm not going to show that. Alright, let's open it. On the top here we see the iPad wrapped in some sort of matte plastic. And here is the brand new iPad 9th generation. So we'll put that to the side and look at the accessories it comes with. So here we have the Designed by Apple in California packet. Okay, so on top here we have Designed by Apple in California. So this is your instruction packet. It comes with all your typical stuff. With your instructions, the warranty guide, and your pretty big Apple stickers. So that's always nice. They give you two instead of one. Here we already see some differences. So this is a 20-watt charger. If I believe this was the charger that was in the iPhone 11, that was only for a little while. So okay, oh my god, there's already bugs in here. Ew, I squished it. Ew, okay. So here we have our USB-C to lightning cable. Alright, so let's open the iPad 9th generation. So, as I unfortunately stated, this iPad has already been set up because the people at Apple saw that I was carrying my old iPad and they're like, hey, do you want us to transfer everything onto it? And I was like, yeah, sure, go for it. So, this is already set up. Yep, that's my wallpaper. There you go. ThinkPad 2021, I think I'm gonna make up a new name for it. iOS 15.0 and iPad 9th generation. There's a model number. I kind of wish they stuck with 128GB because I don't feel like I'll be using all of the 256GB, but it is what it is. This has been a quick unboxing of the new iPad 9th generation because I've seen a lot of people focusing on the iPad mini and not giving any attention to the new iPad. While I still feel like this is the best value Apple product because now it's even better. You get an A13 Bionic chip and 64GB of storage for just $329 or cheaper if you're a college student. And you could also find these used and stuff and they go for really cheap. So yes, overall I feel like this is the go-to Apple product for everybody because it's pretty cheap compared to other devices. And it's just really great value, and I feel like this thing is going to last a long time because of all of the support and stuff that Apple does, and because I feel like this new processor is way better. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and my Hydrant link is in my bio, so if you want to follow me on my medias or my Discord server, it's all right there. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time. Say bye, Austin. He just bumped me.